Fix Roblox. This experience is unavailable due to your account settings error. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that your Roblox application is updated to its latest version on the device. So as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm going to just tap on back and I'm going to go for the settings option of the device. After that, just scroll down and tap on apps, then tap on manage apps. Now here you can see the applications list. Now you can just scroll down and look for the Roblox application on your device. Then you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that, then clear cache. Okay, and tap on app permission. Make sure that you have toggled on for all the permission that are required for the application, such as the camera, your contacts, files and media, and microphone. After that, go back and you can just tap on power button and then reboot and restart the device. This might definitely help you solve the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.